There's a track here, but you're not allowed to run on it with spikes. But clearly you can see what I'm tying in my hands. These are spikes.
Okay, we're at OAC. This is our first attempt at getting a secondary training place while the dome is closed. Totally just farted. They have a track. It's really tight. It's 142 meters and the corners are wildly tight.
Gotta see how it feels.
But they have real lifting platforms, so that's sweet. But there's like a bunch of random people and then they jump on the track and they don't really know the track rules, so when we're flying around those corners, we're gonna kill somebody. So, I mean, it'll have to do for now. We might have to find something else. I just hopped on the bike and the boys are on the treadmill right now. So far so good. Apparently there's some turf upstairs that we can use. Maybe we can go warm up there, get some groundwork done before we get back and actually get a lift in. I don't know what I gotta figure out what the workout is today, but I'm doing my own thing, so I'm not too worried about these guys. It's definitely weird. I'm not used to being in a normal gym. I'm used to always having the track to myself, and we have our one lifting room, which is ours, and like the track's home. So it's a bit different.
Yo, what's TF on the bar?
245. We're playing with house money right now.
What?
So what do you got there?
Huh?
What do you got there?
Just, hey man, everybody needs the juice. This is Blue Lightning.
Right on your hands. Blue Lightning? That's what you call it now?
Blue Lightning.
That's what the kids are calling it these days?
That's what the kids call it these days, Blue Lightning. Orange Wave, all the stuff is hitting the streets, so. Be careful, consume with caution.
So today's workout was definitely a little bit different, being in a gym that we all have never been in before. Telvin had some good final reps on 245. He could have pulled it up, could have gotten under it, but he didn't, and that's okay. Get it next time. I wish it was back lifting. I can't lift yet because of the foot. Soon enough though, boys, soon enough. We had totally ripped his hand up. That's gonna be so out of focus that close.
Whatever.
Also, shout out to my favorite drink, Vita Coco coconut water. I love it. It's like eating 20 bananas. One day I will have a Vita Coco sponsor and I will love them to death. See you guys tomorrow. Literally 5 meters.